can anyone enhance their skill as a copywriter?
Sure. So I think there are two ways to look at this. The first is passive learning and the second is active learning. There are two things in passive learning which I recommend. Both of them involve doing copy work, which means either you hand copy advertisements, emails, landing pages, anything that is copy written that you can find on the internet that is already out there. And second is hand copying them means uh, like literally hand copying, but you can also redo and rewrite the original form, which means if you don't like what is written, you can redo that to bring on your original thinking, which goes into passive learning. But active learning is best when you actually put out your own content on social media, which is the personal branding part, because it would help you actually test your copy, which means you are testing your hooks, you are testing CTS, you are testing body copy to see if actually the content that you are putting out is being received well by people or not. If it is going good, double down on that. If it isn't, like take a step back and see what can I do differently and react to that.